Right. What's up, traders? And happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday today, the 18th of September. And I'm doing a little bit of a lesson of the day. I'm going to start doing more of these videos. I want to go over some, what trades I took yesterday on Tuesday, obviously 17th of September. It is the morning in South Africa here before the New York session starts. But I wanted to record this, go over some, lessons that I learned from yesterday, the trades that I took, and how I kind of see, where my trading's at the moment. I've been on the road most of September, as you can see from my dashboard, which we'll get to in a minute. So not much trading this month. I am down at the moment. I had a great August, but kind of just moving over, pivoting some to see where my trading's at and show you how I made money yesterday trading the NASDAQ. So let's get right into it. As you can see over here, I was up over $1,000 on the day, 5 trades, 5 winners. So very, very solid trading day, right? I think this is what is very, very important in my own trading. And this is something I've been missing this month, is being in routine and just being on the desk, being able to actually focus and concentrate, right? Where I was on it in August and now coming into September, I've been a little bit straying away from that, obviously being on the road, visiting family and on holiday, right? So let's get right into it. Yeah, we got obviously big interest rate decisions today, Wednesday, but yesterday we did have core retail sales, which came out very favorable for the US dollar. But I tried some NASDAQ long. So I had my first trade over here, trading them as CFD contracts. Tried the longs here off the opening range low. This is the black VWAP here, is current day's VWAP. Yesterday's VWAP is this blue one coming across the screen here. We had bullish price action coming into the open. Get the open, I tried a little bit of a feeler position, and I got back in here at the lows. This was my second trade, the winning trade. So I tried the feeler position first, it came back down, took me out, and I got back in here off the daily VWAP, which is very, very nice and solid. So obviously, I like to stick to one bias for the day. We did have a sell-off heading into the rest of the day as well. So I'm trading all my accounts on a trade cop here across, personal, funded, challenge, all that type of stuff, right? And I have been using Traders Connect. The link is in my bio, so go check them out. Very, very nice for cross-platform copying as well. So first trade, loser, but ends up holding daily VWAP, and I end up getting back in here and at heavier size. This is something that I think I spoke about in my daily report card over here, right? The first price was too high. I needed to wait for the pullback. And then I did mention here at my end of day evaluation, I was focused today and felt good to be back in routine. Slow and steady wins the race. When I start with a smaller position size, it allows me to scale in. I love scaling into my trades. And I think when I do start with smaller position sizing, it allows me to be more flexible in my entries, right? I think that's something that has helped me a lot. And something that also from yesterday, and I was on a few coaching calls and everything like that with the guys that we mentor, is just comparisons, right? Stop trying to compare yourself to everyone else. Just focus on you and your own trading, and slow and steady wins the race, right? I think a big thing is what I was speaking to about some of the guys on the coaching calls was get bigger capital, right? If you want to make $5,000 in a month, rather get 500K in funding and make 1% than trying to do it by having 100,000 in funding and having 5%, making 5%. What's easier, more sustainable, right? So I think slow and steady wins the race. And I hope that made sense for you guys listening. If not, always hit me up. But slow and steady wins the race. And that's where my trading's at the moment. I'm not trying to compare myself to anyone. I'm just trying to make money on the desk trading, get more capital AUM, and just grow it and take payouts. So I am trading live today on ASFX TV. The link is in my bio as well. I'm doing, and then we got a new Hydra podcast coming out too. The link is also in my bio as well. So that will be quite cool. So stay tuned for that Hydra funding podcast. And then I got some guys, Andre coming on from Edgefill and continuing to grow and use my trading in those aspects. I'm just grateful for the people that I get to trade around every single day in ASFX and the Black Shirt Club. So if you are interested on a mentorship, go check us out as well. But yeah, a slower September so far, and I did actually tweet about the slower September so far, but a good August. I've been off the desk with visiting family, so I did actually tweet about this here yesterday. So if you have a look over here, right, slower September so far, I'm down, but I did have a very, very solid August. So if you come over here, this was my August, so one red day in August. So you can't always have it perfect. But that was my trading day yesterday. Some lessons, and just, stay in your own lane. Get more capital behind you, and slow and steady wins the race. So I hope this helps, and we'll see you for the next lesson of the day. Keep it tidy going into FOMC interest rate statements this evening, South African time. Cheers, everyone.